On the eve of the busiest shopping day in downtown Kingston, a high-level contingent of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, led by Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson, toured the Market District. This following reports that gangsters have been threatening to invade the area. Javon Keys has the details.
Yeah, man, we're in the streets like that. Yeah, man, there's low tone right now. We're downtown are mash up right now, wicked and bad.
It's voice notes like these, speaking of shooting in downtown and the killing of an alleged gangman and two vendors last Thursday, which is prompting fear among those who shop in downtown Kingston. And vendors are lamenting.
Our load vanish where we have papa, ripe banana, all those are ripe load vanish away. Nobody to come and buy those should have sell from yesterday. And then the panic style put on.
Some of the shooting that they're talking about, it did not happen. So because of the rumors, it's just rumors, and the rumors affect because of hearsays.
They say they still feel safe even though the last few days have been tense.
If you come down here, you'll realize that the market is okay for you to come and shop and buy and go home. It's just as safe as normal.
So you're not fearful with the shooting of an alleged gang leader?
No. I'm here and I'm here with my children, and we're doing school just the same and everything. We are good.
July I come to me at the 50th year in a Tivoli Garden. I'm in a state of mess when it's ready. Mess. But when it's good, man. Oh God, it's good and no, man. I don't know the Tivoli again. I don't know the Tivoli again, and I'll be a chicken fries, sprat and chicken back.
So with that, they're hoping to convince people to still come downtown to shop. While on a tour of the Market District, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson is assuring that the police have things under control. However, they hope to increase their presence in the area.
We're looking at some space here. We will probably be able to establish a small post in the market. It's really the commercial center of, downtown Kingston, and people come from all over the country here, and the shoppers as well. Everybody needs to feel safe down here.
Major General Anderson also says traditional media and social media users must be responsible in what they share to reduce fear and misinformation. Javon Keys, TVJ News.